In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the product images as well as the product description from the AliExpress website for particular products that you're going to be putting into your online e-com store. So whether or not it's Shopify or WooCommerce or some other platform or something like that. Now, I did show this in previous videos where inside the bestsellers and keyword search tools, you can right click and you can get to download and then download product images and descriptions for the products in here. So if you go ahead and click go here, and I'll just pause real quickly, and you want to download this one, for example, you've got 1,200 reviews. Sorry, all this data here for this particular product. Sorry, I got confused there for a second. So you right click and you go download product images and description. It'll tell you where you want to save it. Go ahead and select the folder. And then I'll go through and it'll grab the images as well as a product description and a bunch of other details. It'll put in a couple of files here. So it should bring up your Explorer here. And you click on the product contents text file, and you'll see you get the title, link, category, price, item specifics, some packaging, as well as the description. The description is cleaned up there so you don't see any stuff in there, but what it does, sorry, when I say stuff, it doesn't show any like HTML codes or different weird characters or something like that, but it's not formatted very well. So we always advise that you should look through the description and rewrite it yourself, but we try to make it a little bit easier so you can see all the content. Sometimes there is no content and the user just simply posts images. So if we actually go to that particular product and take a look here, and we can see they actually have a whole bunch of different stuff inside the description here. They entered a bunch of images and a whole bunch of other stuff. So another handy little file that was downloaded as well is this product description.html, which is the HTML content in the description area. Now you can utilize this within your HTML editor within your e-commerce store for that product. So you can plug that data in there. And it's really simple to get at this HTML. All you really need is just, it doesn't matter what kind of text editor you have, just kind of open it up and just drag that in there. And you can see this is all just pure HTML. Now you can copy and paste that directly into your e-com platform, Shopify or WooCommerce, whatever, and then you can kind of modify in there what you want to have in the description. So that's how you download that. Now I want to show you another feature I recently added here for version 1.005. I added this new button at the very top. If you click that, it allows you to download product images and description. If you select this radio button here, and you can enter in the actual AliExpress product URL. So let's say, for example, you already have some products in one of your stores and you didn't want to go and use the software to try to find the product you have in your store, but you do just have the link. So let's say, for example, you're on AliExpress and search for baby toy. Say you have this product here in your store and you want to get the reviews, sorry, not the reviews, the product images and description. And so what you want to do is at the very top, you want to grab this URL here. So this is the web page's URL link. So to do that, usually all you have to do in your web browser, if you just click it, it'll usually select the whole thing. But if it doesn't select the whole thing in here, just make sure your cursor is in there and go Control A on your keyboard, and that will select all. Now if you're on a Mac, you go Command A. And now you go Control C to copy it to your clipboard, or you can right click and select copy. On a Mac, you want to go Control C to copy to your clipboard. Now once you have that, come on over here and right click and paste, or Control V or Command V on your Mac. And you got that here. Select download product images and description and click download. And it will essentially do what we did there with the other way we downloaded. And it should just pop up. And there we go. We have the product descriptions and the details as well as all the images. So that's a new feature. You can also see there's another feature here for downloading the reviews, and I'll cover that in another video. Thanks for watching.